Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbud, and I'm going to tell you if you can listen to music with only one earbud. So actually this is a very common question, and the answer is yes, you can listen to music with only one earbud, with only one earphone, because your earbuds will automatically switch from the stereo sound to the mono sound, and you will just hear everything in only one earbud, one ear. So it is completely normal. So yeah, you can. You just have to have the wire detection enabled, or just have one of your earbuds in the case itself, so that only one is connected to your phone and one is working. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.